So guys, in this question, we will be solving 36th question. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to 3n square plus 2n, and they are asking us to find the nth term of the progression. So this is what one thing we have to find here. If this progression consists of 59 terms, so if there are 59 terms, then find the sum of the last 10 terms. Okay, last 10 terms. So this is another question they are asking. So let us now start with the answer. So now what is given is, they have given us one equation, that is Sn is equal to 3n square plus 2n. And now we have to find out S1, and it also means that S1 means that it is A1, right? First term, because first terms sum, if you do, it will be first term only, right? So now we'll find S1 or A1, whatever you call. So we'll take this equation, Sn is equal to 3n square plus 2n, and we will put the first term. Okay, first term, n is what? Term. So we will put the first term. First term, n is for the first term. We are going to find out the first term, sum of first term. So that therefore I have taken the value of n as 1 and the square as it is, plus 2, and the n means the first term again. Okay, so 1's square is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, plus 2 into 1 is 2. So what I'm getting is 5. So this is nothing but S1, and it also means that S1 means it is also A1. It is also A1, right? Now what we will do, we will find the sum of second term. So S2, okay, S2 we will find out. Now we will take the same equation, 3n square plus 2n. Now this time what we will do is, in n's value we will put as 2, because we are finding the sum of the first two terms now. So now instead of n we will write 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, plus 2 2s are 4, 12 plus 4 is 16, right? So now essentially what this 16 means is that 16 means that A1 plus A2 will be equal to 16, because sum of first two terms. So first term and second term, if we add, we are going to get 16. That is what it is. It means now. Now therefore, I know that A1 value is what? A1 value is 5. So now here in place of A1 I will write 5. 5 plus A2 is what we need to find out. So I'll keep A2 as A2 only, is equal to 16. Now A2 is equal to, I will send 5 that side, it will become minus. A2 is equal to 11. So now what essentially we have is, we have A1 as well as A2. We know that A1 value is 5 and A2 value is 11. So we know the series now, right? So we know the series. The AP looks like first is 5, 11, and then it will go on. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll also find the value of D, right? So we'll find the common difference. So we know that it can be found out by subtracting the two terms. So A2 minus A1, so 11 minus 5 we will do. So we will get D as 6. So we now also have D with us. Okay. They have asked us to find the nth term of the progression. So we know the formula to find the nth term. Okay, so the nth term, the nth term, right? Now we will take the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now they have asked us to find that, assuming that there are 59 terms. So we will take an as a59. A value is phi. We know this. We have found out here phi. N is 59 minus 1 and d value is 6. So phi plus 59 minus 1 is 58. 58 into 6. So phi plus 58 into 6 is 348, and A59 is 353. 353. So we have, essentially solved the first question here. So this is our answer. So now these are our answers. Okay. So A1 is 5, A2 is 11, common difference B is 6, and A59 is 353. So we have solved the first question. Now we will see the second, sub part of the same question on the next page. So now see here, now in this progression, what they are saying is that find the sum of the last 10 terms is what they are saying. So we got the last term just now, right? So 353 is our last term. And if I try to write it in a reverse way, because from the last 10 terms we have to find out. So 11 and then 5. Okay. So now let me just write the first term from the reverse, then this last term will become the first term from the end, right? And then the common difference we need to go on subtracting to get the next reduced terms, right? So we need to put minus 6. Remember this thing when they ask the sum of terms from the last, then the common difference has to be taken in a negative sign, with a negative sign. Okay, then we have to find S10, the sum of first last 10 terms, and the n value will be 10 because we want the sum of last 10 terms. Okay, last 10 terms. Now we'll take the formula. Okay, the formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2, n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? So this is our formula, and we want sum from the last 10 terms. Yes, 10. So last 10 terms, 10 divided by 2, because n is 10, right? We have taken it here. A means the first term from the last now, which is 353 plus n terms 10 minus 1, and d we have to take negative because we will be going on subtracting. So remember, when we are going from beginning to the end, no, we go on adding the common difference. But when we are coming in a reverse way from last to first, then we have to go on deducting the common difference. We have to go on subtracting the common difference to get the next values. Okay, so this is the logic, you remember. So yes, 10 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 5, 2 into 353 is 706 plus 9 into minus 6. We'll put the bracket here. Yes, 10 is equal to 5. So 706 minus, because minus 9 into minus 6 will give us minus here, instead of this plus we have to write minus. and 9 6 is a 54. Subtract this, we'll get 652. Finally, value of S10 is 5 into 652 is 3260. So this is our answer. So the sum of last 10 terms is 3260. So this is our answer.